We will recap a little from the Nordson Split and Clean video by saying there are a few highlights that we will talk about. If you have not seen this video, please contact your Nordson representative to receive a copy of this. Once the die has been cleaned, we would like a person that knows what they're looking for to inspect the die to make sure that all the parts are cleaned thoroughly. Some of the areas that get missed on the die are the end sweeps, the back of the manifold, the lip face, the throat, the entrance, the ends of the die here, and the seals. Once it is checked and approved, the die can be reassembled together. If there are any decals, they will need to be cleaned and looked over also. If any of the heaters need to be replaced or have been pulled out of the die after the die has been running, then the heater needs to have a heat transfer lube reapplied to the heater. Please note that this is not an anti-seize, it has been formulated for heat transfer. A very thin coat of transfer lube will be just fine. We just want to talk about the anti-seize on the body bolts. You want to make sure you're putting anti-seize on the threads and above and below the washer. This is now a properly anti-seized bolt. We cannot stress enough that you need to keep lip protection on the die at all possible times. We have many dies out there that have damage to the faces, final lands, and front edges. No matter how careful your people are, bad things happen very quickly. If you are prepping your die for storage, then you want to make sure that you are putting the proper rust preventative on the die before you put it into storage. We suggest that you cover the entrance and the exit of the die. This will prevent air and debris from entering the die. Again, lip protection is required.